How do I stop WooCommerce download links from being shared? Require customers to log in before downloading. Use the Prevent Direct Access plugin to assign file permissions by user role. This way, shared links won't work for unauthorized users because the system checks authentication before allowing access. Here's the step-by-step setup. First, install the Prevent Direct Access plugin, free and gold version for full protection. Step 1. Go to WooCommerce Settings, then Products, then Downloadable Products. Change the download method to Redirect Only. Save changes. Step 2. Go to your media library. Select the digital file you sell. Click Protect, then configure file protection. A pop-up window will appear. Go to File Access Permission and assign access to logged-in users. This means only logged-in users can download the product. Step 3. Upload this protected file to your WooCommerce product. The plugin automatically adds _PDA to the file path. This tells WooCommerce the file is now permission controlled. Now that everything is set up, let's test if this WooCommerce download link is actually blocked. I'll complete a purchase, copy the link, and try to open it in an incognito window. Now when someone tries to download, they must be logged in. Shared links show an error message for anyone not authorized. So, how do I stop WooCommerce download links from being shared? Install Prevent Direct Access. Subscribe for more WordPress tutorials that protect your business.